Ka All Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association lane ka balati pro kum ka AMTTA kalapelong ya ka jingilang pajba ha ka singibalang ha ka balarai ban IT no da ka memorandum show mentor ramba ka jalau kontrat ke sama ban kentu ya ka sorkar jala ban makan khanglat no ya ki kali jungo kai perthei ki bana asam bat na ki ki jala ban rong shaka jaka jungo kai perthei jong ka jala Meghalaya Kaseng kalabu po Shitaiew ya ka sorkar bakan juba phalor kane kapang bada ka baberngam ban pelong ya ka jingelang yasuk bat ya ka jing Shah Thngan ka bala banja Lada om shimkhya habayo ban ya kendu ya president jong kane kaseng uba rikal dinos doling hamadan football malki ula banjur baya ka jingut ka jingnam jong kaseng ka sorkar kala le shuklat bada ka bala slam palat
Not only that, not to stop for all the Meghalaya or the outside vehicles to come and visit in Meghalaya. We demand from the government of Meghalaya to stop all the tourist spots for the outside vehicles, not carrying passengers. That's it. I've told you before. This first of all will give to opening letters to the chief minister for 1 week. We give time for them, and after that we'll take the second step. If this letter will not happen, anything will not get any response from the government. So the second step will take for the peace rally, and the third step will take for the hunger strike, and will stop for carrying passenger from example like Shillong to Guwahati. We will stop carrying passenger. That is banned. We said no? We will stop ourselves not to flying passenger here and there. That's what happened. What was the Minister Tourism of Minister Bollinger, what he said that we are 60, we separate this and 40 this that now. So we from the arson we have already submit the remainder letters on 21st August. Right? 21st August we have already submit the remainder letters, and we have in that remainder we have submit 25 or 35 arson we have submit to the in that remainder letter. So Papol, what he says that is the excuse. Just what to say.